Yo, 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 today we got the poor man's extractor, carpet extractor, or seat extractor, whatever you want to call it. I will be using the poor man's extractor on this dirty looking seat. As you can see right here, it's dirty, filthy, nasty. I will be using this special cleaner along with my poor man's extractor, which is the shop vac that you saw. Think about it. What does extractors do? They suck up water. A shop vac does the same thing, maybe even stronger. I am using my special cleaner right here. What does extractors do? They spray water out. I am putting mine directly over it, and I'm using this shop vac to suck it up, just like an extractor. It's doing the same thing. Think about it. It's a cheaper way of doing it. You spraying the chemicals directly on it and you sucking it right up. Even better. The other extractors, they spray the water on there and it gets a lot on there. But you spraying it directly on top of it and you sucking it up. That's all extractor is. Spray and suck. And I can target the exact area that I need to clean right there. Look at that. It's sucking it right up like an extractor. You don't have to spend all that money for an expensive extractor when you got a shop vac. Make sure you take out the filter in your shop vac so that the water won't wear it out. But other than that, just spray your chemical right on top. And you can see right here, look at it. It's sucking right on up. I'm gonna show you a trick when we're done, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you a trick how to remove this brown looking stain in there. As you see right here, the lacquer thinner. Use lacquer thinner to go over top of the stain, as you can see. You see my magic trick? Use lacquer thinner. It will go right over top and remove the brown part of it. Look at that. You see right here? You see? Lacquer thinner. You see the dirty part right there? You see it? That's the clean part. That's the dirty part. Lacquer thinner will remove that top layer of dirt.